I'm here in OKC for a little pizza in the parking lot. Now, this isn't just a regular old pizza truck. No, this thing is a monster. And the oven, not any regular old oven. No, it's wood-fired. And the recipes, well, they're not your everyday recipes because they're handed down from generations. This is the Saucee Sicilian.
Tusa coming out, Nona.
My favorite.
Some of the best pizza in Oklahoma City, and I stand by that.
I got this.
It's hot, it's fresh, and the flavors are on point.
And on 4 wheels, ever since Gannon Mendez left the corporate world to open a food truck.
Justin Palermo.
He wanted the best help he could find, so he asked his mom, Priscilla.
She was living in the mountains in Colorado, and I'm like, hey, I need you out in Oklahoma. Let's start a food truck.
He got me out of retirement.
OMG. You went
Old school Italian, just like my great-grandmother decided to use her recipes.
Trapani coming out.
Yum.
The Trapani Pizza is outstanding.
It's got the prosciutto, it's got the figs, it's got some balsamic, and the wood fire that they do in there is amazing.
All right, well, let's get into this.
We are making our dough from scratch. A high gluten flour.
Got it.
Salt, water, and yeast.
So traditional pizza dough recipe.
Mix for 6 or 7 minutes. Put it in a tub to let it proof. This is my great-grandma's blanket.
Really?
Yeah, so it's like grandma's blessing. And we're gonna do 8-ounce balls.
How good are you at the portion game?
How good are you?
Where do you think you're at with that one? 8-6, do your picks. 8-4.
Bam.
8-0. Was it 3
Oh,
cuts?
yeah,
8
yeah.
4 cuts. Goes by the amount of
I
cuts.
see.
8-8. 7-6.
That's under. We never want to go under.
There's 8-1. I got it in 3, you got it in 4. But I mean, I'm not saying I'm better. I'm just saying that.
3 cuts, I believe.
Go back to the tape. Then that proofs for 3 days.
Yes, sir.
So you're getting that nice, big, yeasty flavor
Yeah.
going. All right, chef, next step.
All right, we're gonna do our balsamic maple glaze.
Okay.
Balsamic vinegar. Bring it to a boil. Once it reduces down, we're gonna go with some pure maple syrup.
Get a little extra sweet.
That's it.
Time to make the magic happen.
All right, we're gonna do a little caputo,
Can't argue that that's hand thrown.
ricotta cheese with whole milk, mozzarella, some fresh figs,
I figured.
roasted garlic. We like to put a lot on it. Roasted red pepper,
Beautiful.
and we'll slide it in the oven.
90 seconds. And what kind of wood are we using in the oven?
Pecan hickory.
Easy peasy. Fuck you, I'm so svelte.
Cut it up here real quick. Top each slice with prosciutto. Turn it 1 time to the left. My mother says that is her superstition. The balsamic maple glaze.
Okay.
Drizzle it over.
That's good looking pie. I mean, it's just really delicious. The crust is the foundation, and it's out of bounds. Neapolitan pizza has to be in balance, and you give good portions, a good amount of prosciutto. It's an honest pizza, scratch-made, handmade, with a lot of family love in it. Well done. Look.
Trapani Pizza for Kim.
Thank you.
The crust is very soft and crunchy. The figs were delicious.